Hello, my people. I greet the followers from Untouchable Mama. How na dey? Also na dey fine. Una do well as una tell help me take dey share. God go bless una as una take dey like, comment, even dislike self. Una do well as far as una don watch at all. And that one I can't. God go bless una. Abeg una still dey support my page. Support me by sharing, by liking the video. Even if I still dey live video, you can also support me with star or super chat. Don't forget to follow my page on Facebook, Untouchable Mama backup page or Untouchable Mama. For my YouTube, Unto Mama na me get am. My people, Wahala be like we feel you must leave my house. So not the way Musa no go see for ghetto, not the way we not go see for this social media where we dey. Una know say na proko na we dey na anything where they drop we go carry. Na we dey do on be our job. My people, una know say Gbovo with your wife, gbas. Wifey, you must leave my house. Wifey, you must leave my house. Wifey, no gree go. Una know this one are the update, my people. Before I go play the update for una, fire on the mountain. Gbovo house now is on fire. Una know say the video they run up and down or this Gbovo with his wife. So Gbovo can't talk. Gbovo can't do this video where I go show una so because person like me they look then say that they do prank, that they do una know now. So I can't do this video where I go show una so my people. I bet more not forget. If you now watch this video, more help me share am. May other people tell them. Sometimes before you marry, it good may you know your wife. May your wife still know you. Because una need to stay the same house. Una need to understand una self. Una need to know whether una go really stay together. Una fit stay together. Whether una character match. It's not easy to be husband and wife. It's not easy, my people, for real. Because my character with your own, if you be say not be the same. If you be say na just friendship, una one job friend, everybody go because to say una go there for his house 24 hours together, it's not easy, my people. Now I make all this marriage they break all the time. Sometimes you don't know the other side don't know you, all because of say you with and done the friend for like 5 years. You say we don't know ourselves. May ukukuma just marry. Now they cause all these things. So whereas they don't know themselves, because if you the friend person, you with are not there for the same house, you not know her. You not know her. That moment where be say he come, una just jolly together, talk together, he go, maybe 2 days, he stay your place, he go, or you understand? You not know the characters he be, because 2 days you not feel no person character. You not feel know as that person be. See, wanna go stay together to really know, say, I don't know, say, na so he be, you know, all these things they come out. Because many things not fit come out. Now, as it there for the man side, now say there for the woman side. Because you know, just see man, you know, say sometimes when man the friend woman, he go just dey okay, the way we say they do, sometimes he go send you flower, sometimes he go, you know, all these things. But when they say you don't marry, or don't enter his house, you can't say no, they do again. You can't think and say, why you not they do again? Maybe you not love me. Because that time, when I just be boyfriend and girlfriend. So you want may draw you near body, you know? You know me say go they do one if you don't still do marry. So people say when they still they do, even though say they still they inside the marriage, everybody not be the same. So may I play this video for now, my people. May we listen to Gbovo wait till talk for you. This one is the video where you do.
By the time you try to help yourself, you see people try to bring you down. You see so many of them try to bring you down. The moment they see that you are progressing, they turn to be enemy over your success. When I was suffering, I was trying to survive in the city of Gbovo, pushing with barrel, padding back. Where were they? They could not help me. I tried to help myself to give my life a meaning. You see them coming from corner, trying to scatter all my plans, trying to scatter my life.
They talk to your wife, okay?
Stop advising me. I am into my tea. I'm passing through pain in my marriage. I cried that so many people feel that I'm doing prank.
Because now saw some people
I'm passing through pain in my marriage.
Hey, John.
What I labor to get. My wife is taking it away from me. People still feel I'm doing prank.
My people, no, say because of prank here, prank there, prank this way, we not gonna know the one way be truth again. Sometimes you'll see some video, it go just look real. After maybe we don't carry, we don't dey talk, put they'll come and say, nah prank we dey or may na leave this story. People go come still rest. Now I make am, we not come know. The one way can be real, the one way not can be real again, my people. Because as me see this video, it look like real. Because I go see the talk and say, me still they look like say na prank, more than no vessel. Because now because of the way they say they do the thing. Even the day where brother Mike go in place. I not see say boss bass like that. It's like they do like this. You understand? They go still do like this. No, say if you go someplace, if you go where be say man and man be say the one throw blow, one go get injured. You understand? But we not see any injury. But na true say we see Gbovo go hospital. Say I say wife use cutlass, not be wife. And na that one the time where brother Mike knock rubber, even the knock himself, not just like this, you know. My people, maybe they listen to all these things. Now they cause sound. Now make we not know the one way be real because we will come look all of them say anya we the look and say una don't still start with una prank again. We are sorry, Gbovo. The thing they for they cry. Okay.
I see her in my marriage. I see her. I'll see her. I married a bad woman. A woman who don't love me. Who pretended as if she loved me. She pretended.
Hey.
People feel that I'm just doing prank. I'm just trying to prank. To make what?
Not be our
to make
fault.
what exactly?
Not be our fault. With the things
I've
in
been
our
making money before even Facebook.
Not be like
paying people.
not true.
I've been making money.
Not truth.
So what makes you feel that I'm using this strategy to make money?
Now the one where they rain, na cause na prank on the rain, na cause. So we don't know whether
I
na
can't
true.
go to my house again. I have to go out to buy this new native.
Hey.
To be able to go out.
Wahala.
To go to a marriage.
Wifey don't enter house.
My wife locked the door that I can't go in. I'm crying out to all the human rights activists. Come to my rescue. I'm married and
You know the time where I still do this video when I listen to when he's saying they cry to human rights activists. Now then me can knows I can't think and say okay this thing not gonna be prank again. You understand? Now then me can look and say it not can look like prank again. Maybe now really waiting they pass through now they bring come out. My people, this thing tire everybody. After I don't do this video where it take call human rights activists make them come. So it can go village. May I still play and little again then before we talk about the village.
an evil woman who don't want to leave my home. I have cried that time with that number. This is not prank. This is not prank.
Hey, Gbovo, it is well, my brother. As you say, not be prank. It is well. Because now it costs and make me the talk and say, you need to know person where you want to put for inside your house. See? Because if you go look at now, maybe he do everything. If you see be say anything where he get now your wife name now he put now no say some men be like that because of the trust where he trust, the love where they love, he go put everything for his wife hand. And after when maybe you don't do the marriage, you no get voice again. Now be the something you know you supposed to know the kind of person where you get for front before you they do anything. Because some women they just did there because of waiting they want gain. They not dead there after you. Now waiting they want just gain. Now make them dead there. Because it really touched me when I just see this video, the way we tell they cry, all he eye they red, you know. Say now waiting really in the pass through, now in the talk come and say, you know they do this one because of prank. Because people not can really understand whether prank or not prank, you know. So now it comes when I see this video, now them me come they talk say, this thing be like real. Hey, wahala for wifey. Before na marry, mona be careful. Be careful. Hey, no me son I don't there for many years.
You don't marry for woman that I married. Just pray. Pray you don't marry an evil woman. Pray.
Hey.
Oh God.
Wahala.
Because of so many people who are doing prank on social media.
Michael-san,
They are not allowing people to believe that I'm not doing prank.
you are right.
That I'm
Gbovo.
passing through difficulties in my home.
Hey, Jesus.
That I'm passing through pain. People feel that I'm joking. My wife keeps fighting me every daily basis. My wife keep disrespecting me.
Hey.
Our people still think that I'm joking. How am I joking? I is a joke. Honestly, God, you cannot be stronger than me. You can never be stronger than me.
You say why they do juju?
You can never be stronger than me.
You say why they do juju?
I want you people to come to me.
Even attack on the even the fall come up for a nose. My people, after you don't do this video, after you don't do this video, so you know say people they tell and say go tell your family. I be the girl not get family, I be you not get family. Now Gbovo can't go this video where I want play for now. It can't go there. Go tell your family say see waiting they pass through. May we just watch na very short one. The video long small but now this short one just want more now just listening to.
So this is my comedian Gbovo. I see him for social media. He with his wife in the quarrel. When I come see him, I come tell him say, my pikin Gbovo, what you happen with your wife? He said, I don't want to marry again. I don't want to marry. I said, why you not go marry? I beg and beg him. He said, no, you don't do what they verse him. Now I said, what you do when they verse you? No, you will marry him. He said, Lila, now I can't cry me too now. So make you help me settle there. Now so I see you. Babilo, now well done.
Thank you, our Pekin.
Before they want, man.
Why you not to hear what? The one that go to talk to you, no go hear. Who go him more? What's your him more?
Hey.
Waka, our below.
Not
Gbovo,
just little of them.
I know that the kind Pekin where you be. Now we born you for here. Right from time for the talk to you, don't they hear what? If they get place, you say woman not going to do bad. Well, I never know what I want to talk for this one. Because before we go talk, elders, we elders go talk put. I go tell the senior brother we follow and they beneath. Make it really tell us what happened for there. Because woman, their way get as a big bet. Make the senior brother talk to us. Make he explain to us what happened for there. Before we go know how we go talk put. Elders. Now what did I say for inside that?
That's it.
My people, not be smart yo. This one and the video where it take go village, call just a little of your family, explain to them what they really they go on for there. Okay, my people. I'm gonna still bring the update if another one day. Okay, this one might be the video where I say I want to show now. This one because in thought say no be prank say now real because he know they like to they use he no one use your family to do prank. Now only God know what they really they go on inside there. We know they, we know they. Sometimes not just see woman for road because of say the woman fine. You say this one I must marry. You don't know the character. You don't know the background. You don't know the family. Whether all those the family even want make them push on. You understand? Can't carry they go. Then when you can't get problem, you don't see anybody where you want go tell say see what you na pikin they do me. They'll say you don't carry they go. Nowhere do they know the quarrel now carry they go. Wahala, they say not they finish. Wahala be life. Wifey, you must leave my house. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye bye for now. See you for my next video. Bye.